I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the highest quality file you have, preferably RAW, so you retain color information. Set your monitor to a neutral 6500 degrees K reference and choose sRGB or Adobe RGB to stay consistent. Once done, make a duplicate layer or virtual copy so you can compare changes and preserve the original. You're preparing the workspace and the reference point. This avoids guesswork later and ensures you can revert if a correction skews the image. You now target the blue buildup directly. First, tweak white balance. Raise temperature by about 5 to 20 or sample a neutral gray with the eyedropper to remove cool bias. Next, open HSL or color panel and reduce blue saturation, testing values from -10 to -50 until skin and highlights look natural. Then, apply selective masks so changes affect only problematic areas. For example, reduce blue in shadows but keep a sky mask intact. Make sure to feather masks for a seamless. You finish by refining color with curves. Lift red subtly in the shadow region or lower the blue curve in midtones until the cast is neutral. Then check exposure and overall color balance, toggling the original layer at 50% opacity to ensure you didn't overcorrect. Export using the target color profile. If you still see unwanted blue, step back one change at a time and isolate which adjustment reintroduces the tint. That troubleshooting approach usually reveals the culprit quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.